The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you the most powerful and most valuable webinar that you've ever watched, because I'm going to show you how to create full HD quality videos and doodle videos that are in full color automatically in just one click without any watermarks, and colorful drawings and sketchings that would have taken you several days to create, even a professional animator several hours to create, in just one click, again using simple text. And also you have advanced revolutionary technologies like unlimited AI photo background removal and photo to sketch converter system, like what you're seeing on your screen right now. Never seen before, never done before, and you get unlimited usage of that. And of course, I'll also show you how you can layer things and create automatic, colorful, doodle style, full length explainer videos that you can use for sales videos, courses, educational purposes, or anything, or even sell to clients for $300 or more for every single minute of footage. And that means since you can create unlimited minutes, unlimited amount of footage, you can even sell it for as much as $12,000 or more on platforms like Upwork.com and so on. It's so easy. You can go to our media library and put together a lot of these cool assets and cartoon characters and so on, have them fully sketched. Or hear this out, you can actually paste a bunch of text and convert that into a doodle video in just one click. Takes you a second to do so, and you can change the colors and all that stuff. And more important than that, you can convert an existing YouTube video which you already have and then convert that into a doodle video as well, again within one click. 1 second is all you really need. Never been done before. That could be in black and white, and also color style doodle videos and explainer videos like you see here. Again, just with one click. You paste a bunch of text or a YouTube URL and everything is done. You can add text elements, you can change the whiteboard to a blackboard or a green board or a blue board or even a glass board. You can add all kinds of shapes, characters, assets, and we have the largest media library ever put together with millions of doodle style assets. And in fact, since you can put in your own images and actual content in there, the beauty is you can actually start using different hand styles to showcase your elements. This can be images or photos where you can remove backgrounds, or literally use our own assets library where you can bring everything together and create a beautiful full-length explainer video. Never been done before, using the power of artificial intelligence. And the best part is this comes with unlimited amount of flexibility, because you can do it in over 60 different languages and 160 plus male and female text-to-speech voices which sound human-like. That means literally you can get a video created and have that published in over 60 languages using our award-winning text-to-speech engine. And that is just the start. If you can create a video like this without any creativity or anything along those lines, you understand the true power, where you're using the power of a computer, which is 100 times smarter than a human being, to be able to achieve things 100 times faster and, more importantly, efficiently and professionally every single time. This means now you can create videos that are worth $300 or more per minute on the internet for your own business or for clients. And on top of that, get your video marketing, video creation to the next level. Something, again, nobody has ever achieved before. This is a true feat in innovation and next generation technologies that have merged together to allow you or any regular person to look like a video marketing pro, and you can do it with full automation. So now, what's the benefit of something like this? Let me walk you through, because it's going to allow you to generate more traffic, more leads, and of course, more sales faster than ever before. But how do we put it all together in action, and how do you get great results? Well, that's what I'm going to be showing you. And more importantly, I'll also give away some awesome bonuses and other things to help you get results as quickly as possible today. So watch out for it. I'll show you every step of the way. To take it a step further, I'll also show you a secret strategy where now you have these videos and so on. How do you get them listed, your video creation services, or if you're selling maybe explainer video creation services, or even traffic generation services, or any kind of service to clients using this technology, which I'm going to be showing you. How do you actually get clients and how do you get traffic? Well, let me walk you through a secret strategy that nobody else is talking about. This part. If I am searching in your locality, where is everybody from? What city you're from? Let's say you're from, let's say Phoenix, Arizona. You're from New Zealand, let's say Auckland, New Zealand, or wherever you are. And somebody's typing in local video marketing in your locality, and you come in to the top here, okay? And more importantly, you see this to your left, okay? This part right here, all the stuff that you see there, right? All that is ads, right? You probably already know that. They're all ads. Now, the guys here, I personally trained this person to get that listing here without spending any money on ads. But more important than that, this is the key part. Okay, and I'm going to loop back to this part. I'm going to show you how to do this throughout the webinar. It's going to make all the sense in the world. So let's say today I'm going to show you how to create doodle videos and all kinds of cool videos that'll explain your videos and so on with artificial intelligence. That's great. But how are you going to sell it, right? So now if I click this button here, you see that what's happening here. Check this out. You can sell any product, a digital product, by the way, course, service, and so on. And you see that learn button right here. If somebody clicks on that button right now, you can send it to your website, your products, your checkout pages, whatever you want to do. And Google is going to be sending you all the traffic. How many of you, typing yes in the chat box right now, want to learn this? And it's free, by the way, to do. There's some little tricky things to do. I mean, you don't have to spend any money on advertising or anything like that. And once you get this listing, it's permanent, by the way, okay? Now, would you agree with me? If it takes you, let's say, I'm going to show you how to do this. There's some little details to make it happen, some done for you kind of thing. If I can show you how to do this today, and we can successfully get you there, maybe it takes you 3 days, 4 days, whatever, to get there, and it's permanently there. Do you see yourself, again, type in your chat box, that you'll make a few sales for your product, service, or an affiliate offer, or whatever it is that you might have, especially without spending any money on advertising, okay? Look, local video marketing on Google, to your top right, in an actual product. See, digital products, physical product, all that stuff, let's put it aside. With Google Shopping, you could do physical products, but this is more digital, and not many people are sharing this stuff. So now, of course, today I'm going to show you how to create videos, super easy in a minute and so on. But now what do you do with those videos? Where do you sell services to clients and so on? Of course, there are freelancer websites. I'm going to show you all that. But if you can get here, do you agree with me, right? I'm seeing everybody saying, yeah, of course, right? A few sales possible, and you're stuck here, then it's permanent. So it's not like even 2 years from now, you're not going anywhere, right? So now, you got this part, right? I'm going to loop back on how to make this happen, because if you don't have a good product or service to offer, you could be having 1 million people come here, 1 million people click this button, and nobody's going to buy. Do you agree with me on it, right? Of course, right? So whatever you're offering has to be valuable. People will want to buy. And secondly, it has to be in a prominent position. We talked about the prominent position, but now let's talk about the second part of the equation, which is having something valuable, right? Something that people will pay money and happily do so to buy, right? So now, then let's loop back to the second part of the equation, and that's what this whole presentation will be about, so that I can kind of talk about how to create a beautiful service or a product or whatever, and video is the easiest one. I'll show you some examples of that. I want to show you why it's such a revolutionary thing that's never been done before, because with DoodleMaker, you can create high impact, colorful, or even black and white doodle videos in just 3 easy steps. Firstly, in just 1 click, you can get up and running. Secondly, create the video and then start profiting. That's all it really is. You can sell the videos for $300 to $500 or more. And on top of that as well, use it for your own business or any business to get their brand built, build their social media presence, get traffic, leads, appointments, and sales. So ultimately, it gives unlimited potential to you and your clients as well. So now, how does DoodleMaker exactly work and what are some awesome features? But let me dive in without any delay into the application itself and show you why it's so cool, why it's so powerful. Let me minimize my screen and show you the DoodleMaker app in action here. So there are 3 components for the application when you log in. The first one is using a bunch of ready-made templates that are ready for you to edit, customize, and so on. There are over 300 of these in glassboard, whiteboard, blackboard format. And then you also have the ability to start from scratch, okay? And this allows you to just paste a bunch of text, and then automatically the application is going to create the doodle videos, both in black and white and color doodle as well. And then you have the last option, which is the AI video translation engine, which right here allows you to take any video, including your own videos that you created or any YouTube video, and not only create a video out of it from pasting a simple URL, you can go a step further and actually have it translated into a completely different language. So you can create videos in any language that you desire, literally in seconds. And the beauty of this part is it also helps you with the creative process, right? You're not staring at a blank screen and not knowing what to do next and so on. So let me walk you through each of these elements so that you get an idea here how easy it is to use and so on. So first thing, let's try this ready-made templates option. So when you click here, as you can see here, there are tons and tons of these templates in blackboard, whiteboard, and also glassboard options. And if you click here, as you can see here, blackboard, tons and tons of options here. And again, you can literally get up and running by choosing whichever one you feel is good for you. So for example, if I wanted to pick a dentist, well, you can just go and watch the preview first thing.
If you're in need of a dentist, you probably have a lot of questions.
Pretty cool, right? And it's sketching the whole thing up and writing the whole thing, as you can see here. And that's pretty cool. That's the blackboard. And again, same thing with whiteboard as well. You can do the same process that I've outlined here with the whiteboard option as well. Again, you have multiple options and they're ready to go with professional voiceovers, male and female, which means you can pick, you know, if I want to put male only, I can pick here, female only, I can pick here, and you can go along those lines and literally create any type of beautiful looking doodle videos right on fly using these templates. Now, that is one step of the process. Obviously, templates help you out a lot. They will speed up the process of video creation for you and all that good stuff. And you know it, everybody knows it. And because the niches are already picked and the industries are already picked, you don't have much of creativity on your end to do so. For example, see that moving company here. Again,
are you moving to or from the area? And
pretty easy, very cool for you to create, right? And that is the best way to use it, is just go in, click choose any of these templates, and automatically you can edit every element here, as you can see here, fully cloud-based editor. So that means you can use it on Mac, Windows, PC, or any device, literally. I recommend, you know, not using mobile phones because it's a high-end video creation technology. So it may not get the best results with mobile phones, but hey, you know, because it's web-based and cloud, you can literally create videos on the go. So here you can have this canvas where you can edit everything, move things around, and do all kinds of cool stuff like so. And you can also literally go in here and change the text-to-speech voice to any language if you wish. So you can go into language and you can change the language here like so, and you're good to go. Very, very powerful, very fast way for anybody to get up and running without any technical skills or knowledge. So if I want to convert this whole video into a Spanish video, I can just click one button right here and automatically it's going to translate this into another language as well. I just have to go in and change and put my logo here, which is so easy to do. I can go into the library section and here under the upload option, I can just click and put my own logo in and I'm ready to go. Of course, you can customize things, but if you want it quickly up and running, you can do so. Now, the second option, you see, this is super easy. You can preview things, you can create things and so on. As you can imagine, preview, create video and all that. Well, the second option, which is really, really cool as well as I mentioning before, is you can go beyond the templates themselves and let the artificial intelligence create the video itself for you, both in color doodle format as well as actual doodle whiteboard format as well. So let's see, and let me show you how powerful this is so that you can literally do this in your own business. So you go to create project one more time, click on start from scratch like I'm showing you right now. And once we click on start new project from scratch, we'll land on a page that looks like this. So let's put a project here. So I will just put something which is such a very popular niche, which is weight loss, right? Weight loss. And this could be dieting, it could be anything. It can be even for certain doctors and for you know, consultants, and it's also for people who do yoga instruction and so on, right? It's a very vast topic. So now all we have to do to create it, I'll firstly walk you through this. All you have to do is first of all create a bunch of slides. So I'll just copy and paste a bunch of text. Again, you can literally either write it on your own, get an article and put that in there. It's up to you. Click new slide and then I'll put some of these, so then I'll show you how powerful this is, okay? click on new slide here again, and then drink water before meals, and then let's see here, and choose weight loss friendly foods. All right, and then let's put another one here, and then let's put eat soluble fiber and drink lots of coffee and tea as well, and so on. So you can keep going, right? Some simple bullet points you can grab in, and it says here I have a voiceover file. If you already have a voiceover file, also you can pick that, transcribe that voiceover, and create through artificial intelligence the entire video for you. Now to your right, you have options. You can create soundtrack, which is background music score. We have a whole bunch of them right here. You can also choose the speech language, okay? What language you want to do. So for example, if you are one of those people who wants to create a natively Spanish video or Italian video, any one of these languages, we have so many languages and we're constantly adding new languages as well. So over the next few days, you're going to see a lot more languages being added as well. And that's our roadmap and that's the plan as well. So pretty much you can expect a ton of other languages being added across the board. Now you have scene background. So you have whiteboard, blackboard, glassboard, and also custom color, meaning you can add your own color like a green background, or maybe a blueprint style like an architecture video, or even a custom image where you can upload any branded image, maybe a corporate image or something like that. You want to have the whole drawing or doodle creation, you can do that here. And then you have icon tab, which is black and white, meaning you want to have black and white doodles like the one I showed you just prior, or color doodle icons, or a mixed of both. So mixed would be 50-50 split on what it can create, okay? And so for the time being, what I'm going to be showing you is I'm going to show you that black and white, and then I'll also show you another example with the color later on. Again, you have hand styles as well, and we're constantly adding new hand styles here as well that we plan to add over the next few days and so on, based on your feedback and so on, something that we want to do long term. So that's it. I chose all the stuff, and literally if I typed everything in Spanish, for example, here, I can just choose the speech language in Spanish, and automatically it's going to create a Spanish video with world-class text-to-speech, which is the biggest text-to-speech engine online right now, with over 60 plus languages and 160 plus male and female voices. So click save. That's all I need to do. As I said, one button, copy paste one button, and automatically it is going to grab us all the actual icons and doodle assets. You see that? If I go to second slide, I have a whole bunch here. Third slide, again, a whole bunch here, and so on and so forth. And again, I can customize every element here. You know, all the stuff is automatically done, as you can imagine, right? So very easy, very straightforward. You can modify things and so on. Since my text is so small, I don't have that many showing up. I'll show you another example where I have longer text, and you can do that. And of course, you can completely change this into a blackboard in a few seconds. So let me show you how that looks like, so it'll give you some idea. So for example, if I want to change this text, I can do that here. And if I wanted to change this glass to blue, I can do that. If I change this here to something like, let's say, green, I can do that as well. You see, I can change the colors, but more importantly, what I wanted to show you is you can go into the backgrounds option here, and let's say one button, I click on the blackboard and automatically got converted into a blackboard. You see that? I can then change it over to any color I want to do, and we're good to go, and it's going to start drawing this. And again, I can actually add my own text as well. So for example, I can say 5 tips to lose weight, right? Click insert, boom, I can have that written down. I have transitions here. See that? Slide from left, slide from right, fade in, fade out, and all that good stuff. And you can also layer it out to show front, back, and all that stuff, meaning I can layer things. I'll show you that in just a bit. And the cool thing is, ready to go. You can now, if you wish, change one of these text-to-speech voices, right? We have so many of them, as you can see here, to Australian accent, UK accent, US accent, English, and so on and so forth. And you can just click one button to automatically translate it into another language as well, which is very powerful. So for instance, if I click on language and I click translate it to Spanish, for example, well, watch what happens, okay? Automatically, it's gonna come in, and you see that text-to-speech voice changed over to Spanish female, and then you will automatically have this update voice as well happening, which is again very, very powerful. And again, you just click on this update voice option, and automatically it's going to change this whole video into Spanish, where the actual voiceover is going to be Spanish. Okay, it's so powerful. You can just click on update voice, and boom, it's going to do that in just one button. And I'll show you an example of that as we go along in just a second. So again, so many choices, so many options for you to literally get up and running. And the cool thing is you can adjust the speed. So for example, I can put this as 1 second hand drawing speed so that it can match the length that I put in below. So if it's such a short amount of text that I put in, I can make these appear faster so that, you know, they will all match and they'll get drawn on time and so on and so forth. I can adjust that as well. And I can do so many other cool things that will make it super, super quickly that you can create professional looking doodle videos. Now let me quickly preview this.
Evite las bebidas azucaradas y los jugos de frutas.
Pretty powerful, right? So quickly I got a complete doodle blackboard video created in just a few seconds. And the last step that you can do, again, very, very powerful way, is you just go back to create projects one more time, go to a brand new project, and then go in and try the AI video translation engine. This is remarkable. You'll really love it. It's going to translate any video and create professional looking videos in any language right out of the gate. Let me show you this example so you can see it. And I'm going to show you that with color doodle videos now so you get an idea. All right, let's pick a topic here. Okay, so eating healthy on a budget. Okay, that'll be our topic. I do not have a existing voiceover file. So I'm just going to type in a YouTube video. I'm going to copy paste it. And again, this can be any YouTube video. I recommend it is a video that you either created or you have permission to use, obviously, if you're going to be not adding your own creativity to it and modifying things and so on. So this is one of my own videos, so I can show you, and it can be any video, by the way, as I said. So right click and copy and paste this. And here, again, soundtrack and speech language and so on, you can modify these things. You can literally click your speech language and change the language, and then it becomes another language video, even if it was an English video or whatever to begin with, basically, which is extremely powerful, as you can imagine, right? And so here, scene background, let's leave it as whiteboard. Here, though, let's change it to colored, doodle videos, okay? So then what I also wanted to show you while we are doing that is once we choose that option, color doodle videos, let's click on get YouTube video here, and automatically it's created all the slides for us, as you can see here. Very, very, very powerful, right? Because it allows you to pretty much get up and running right away without any extra work on your part. So for example, what I'm going to show you is, let's say you can even change things over to your heart's desire so that you can put the third slide into the first one and copy and paste and change elements as you would. So for example, if I want to do this third slide, I want to change it over and I want to put it in the first slide, and then I'm going to change this over and I want to put it in that third slide. I can do that as well, which is extremely, extremely powerful because it gives you flexibility. And I'm just starting off from a video here that already existed. So yeah, I didn't do anything else. Now click save. Watch what happens. Automatically, it created that video for us. Do you see that? Pretty powerful, right? See, look at that. It's created all these doodle assets for us, again, with voiceover, all that stuff pretty much done. And the beauty is we are using artificial intelligence here. So that means you see all these highlighted text here that you see. Well, that stuff right there is only going to get smarter and smarter the more people use it. Well, how, you might be asking? Well, the more people actually start creating and bringing in assets and using it in the dashboard, the more the application is going to get smarter and pick these going forward. And that is extremely powerful. So now you can modify every element of this. So for example, this one right here, I wanted to change this one right here, right? Which is basically something along the lines of food or something like that. I can go to library and I can go to any one of these and I can click on juice, for example. And I want to add, right, because you want to create, go to the farmer's market, find something useful here. Okay, so let's go and put this one in here. So this one can replace this, so I can delete this element right out of the way, and there you go. Very, very easy. So easy for you to add your own color doodle videos right out of the bat in just a few seconds here. Okay, again, the other cool thing is you also have the timeline editor here. So every element that you see here is also editable, which is extremely powerful because I can just click on it, unlock timeline, and I can make sure I can draw something first. So I can draw this juice first, for example, and then I could, for example, have this card drawn second, and so on and so forth. And I can even add my own text here, for example, and I can change the text-to-speech voiceover, as you can imagine. And here, the library, by the way, is extremely powerful. So you can find so many ways you can find them. So if I wanted to click, for example, farm or something like that, right? I can find, you see all these icons related to farm because I'm talking about farmer's market. I can do that. I can find, For example, a doctor here, if that is something that you want to do. There's a tons and tons of these here. So you can pick. We have the largest Doodle asset library in the world right now. No other application even has anything close. Millions of Doodle assets, okay, color, black and white, and so on and so forth. And also the other cool thing is you can literally, again, which is very, very powerful, you can actually add any of these assets and bring them in together and have them drawn, which is super, super powerful, as you can imagine. So again, very, very powerful. So you can even use one of these assets here that we have, like character assets, like all these that you see here, or you can even choose one of these and you can bring them in here. There's so many character assets, as you can see here, that can be added in to the equation, which again could be maybe related to a farmer's market, or cooking, or chef, or whatever it is that we wanted to do, right? So we can add them in as well. So it allows you to get up and running as quickly as possible without any delays on your part. So again, you can use these. We have this one right here. We have entire scenes as well here that you can bring in. So very powerful, as you can imagine. So I want to bring her in. I can do that as well, like so. You see, I can bring her whole thing here, and I can put her, and I can move things around and so on. So let me delete it for the time being. So you have this flexibility to do so. And again, all I need to do is preview stuff so to see if everything is good like it should be, and I should be good to go. And if I don't like anything, I can eliminate it and add new stuff. So just like how I added this juice thing, I can eliminate everything else and I can add that as well. For instance, let me just quickly preview this and show you. So let's just put a nice voice here. So let's see here. We'll put one of these, let's see, Henry's voice here, for example, and let's preview.
Shop at a farmer's market, very useful because you can save more money and also get better quality. Soon as it comes, you can also eat more whole grains such as brown rice, wild rice, wheat, which is made
pretty useful. Of course, you have different choices on what you can do, what kind of voices to choose. There's tons of them, and you can preview the voices as well, by the way, right here, right on the go. Now, another cool thing with this is when you get started on this blank canvas, literally, because all these video content is done, you can just go in and change every element here. So what I did in just a few minutes, just before this call, what I did is I created a bunch of these types of videos. So as you can see here, this was a dentist template. Again, I put that in. You can have like beautiful looking dentist template. Like you can see here, all these slides and so on. You can literally create them in just a few seconds because the AI is building all of it together, the building blocks, and then we can bring the other assets from the library and we can put it all together. Again, very, very powerful, because as you can imagine, like if I click on the text-to-speech voices here, let's say I pick Harry. Okay, automatically Harry's voice is created, and then you just click on the preview button like so, and it's going to take a couple of seconds for us to preview.
If you're in need of a dentist, you probably have a lot of questions, such
Pretty useful. So again, it can draw this as well. I have so many other things you can do. Here's another example for a real estate agent or realtor, or somebody who's looking to buy and sell houses and so on. So you can create beautiful looking videos, full customization. You can use the artificial intelligence. Maybe you want to go a step further than artificial intelligence and add some customizations. We have that library as well, where you can add that customizations and take your business to the next level. You can see that pretty powerful. All the assets. Again, you have different choices for the assets as well. So for instance, I can transition to hand drawing, slide from left and right, painting style, reveal, fade in. So I have different choices on what I can achieve. And that means you can create all these professional looking doodle videos that can literally wow people's attention in just a few seconds without any mumbo jumbo, tough to do stuff. It's all easy, straightforward, ready to go for you and for you to get up and running right away. Here's another project. This is a Blackboard video, which is for basically photosynthesis, which is more educational in nature for those who are teachers, professors, and so on. Right now, online education is becoming more and more powerful. A lot of people want to homeschool their kids because of the pandemic and all that. And even teachers, they're looking for new ways to educate their students. Well, you can do that right now pretty easily right here, right now. And because it's a Blackboard video, all these assets, by the way, if you're wondering where did they come from, the shapes and everything, well, either they're created by the artificial intelligence, or you can go in and customize things by going into the library section and then finding all these assets. So for instance, you can go in right now and you can find in something like a tree here, right? Click on the tree, you have a whole bunch of stuff. And I personally, just so you understand, I've paid thousands of dollars every single month. I'm still paying to get these assets, because what these assets are fully licensed assets to be used on any corporate videos or any videos. You don't have to worry about the licensing at all. I'm paying on your behalf and paying a lot of money, so you never have to worry about the licensing stuff and all that mumbo jumbo stuff. All these color doodles can be brought in, and you never have to worry about any issues with licensing, all that mumbo jumbo stuff. So again, that's one of the options. You can add in more options here by doing so. Very, very powerful. Can add in all these as well. So it gives you millions of different permutations and ideas and choices, which gives you unlimited flexibility to create videos in any language of your choice, literally in just a few seconds. And again, I have another one here, which is a blue board video. A lot of people are asking, hey, can I create videos in any background? Well, yeah, in this case, this is a blue background video, as you can see here. Professional looking blue board video. You can do it in any background, like I said, green, blue, any color you can imagine. And you can even put a photo as a background as well if it's a corporate style video. In some cases that's useful, right? There's another beautiful looking video ready to go as well, as you can imagine. And then this is another one which is a little bit more educational in nature, but also it's very powerful for a chiropractor in this case. And again, a lot of chiropractors would want a video like this to help grow their business, their brand, and so on. And I know one of the cool things with this one is you not only can create real explainer videos or educational videos, or even for that matter, sales videos as well that you can create. And here's the thing. You can create videos which are long length. You don't have to be stuck with like 30 seconds or 1 minute and so on, because Doodle video creation is charged by the minute. So if you want to create a 10-minute video, you can do that with DoodleMaker right at the gate. You don't have to worry about any of that mumbo jumbo limitations and so on. You can start creating, and all you have to do, go to slide number 4 and click a new slide, and you can get started. So you can go in here, click new slide, and start from here, and you can start writing some text and get the AI to do it. Here it says new slide. I would write whatever I want to do and then get started as well. So it gives you flexibility to literally create any amount of customizations that you wish to do. And here to my right, as you can see here in the timelines, I can show to keep displayed or hide after a while, to hide in just a few seconds, and all that stuff as well, which is again extremely powerful because anybody can literally use this right now and start getting results, which is again the best way, right? And once you're done, you just click on this create video option. And once you do so, you have two choices. And this is really cool, by the way. You can do it in HD 720p or full HD 1080p quality, and you can render it out. It renders in our cloud services, so you don't have to do any extra elements or any extra stuff from your end, or slow down your computer and that sort of thing, which is, again, as you can imagine, very next generation futuristic stuff, because it doesn't slow your computer down, and you can use it on any computer, even on the go with your laptop or even iPads and all that stuff. As I said, that gives you incredible flexibility because you can create videos on the go with your laptop and so on, not having to be stuck to some very high-end video editing PC or something like that. And I've used them in the past, so I understand the frustration when it comes down to it. So here, one last thing I wanted to show you as well, which is really, really cool in the library as well, is you can add watermarks. Okay, watermarks will be where if you wanted to, for example, watermark a video and then go to your clients, and then only after they pay you to remove that watermark, you can do that. You can just drop any element here and it'll automatically create a watermark, which is going to come throughout the video. Like you can do it like this, or you can create it somewhere here, up to you. You have different choices here and it will work perfectly. And the other thing as well is, if I delete these elements, I wanted to show you this final thing. You can actually go in and use and convert any photo into a doodle style video as well. See, because we talked about how to convert a video into any doodle video, right? Which is a YouTube video and so on. Well, here, let me talk about an actual photo. So if we go to Pixabay right now, and I have a whole bunch of photos here, but let's actually go in to one of them here, and we can get started right off the bat. So if you go in here, let's show you this example here, and you can search in, like, I'm just doing happy couple or something like that, right? So you can do that right now. So happy couple, and you can get started. Okay, I have this one here. Let's check this one out. This is the happy couple, and pretty standard photo, right? And this stock footage. You can bring in any photo, by the way. You can even upload your own photos, and then you just click the plus button, add it into the timeline like so, and click this one button called remove background, and it's going to automatically remove the background. Okay, now I want to take it a step further. Okay, removing the background is all cool and dandy, right? So let me show you that. So you can do that. You can remove the background and automatically create professional videos. It's also very powerful for e-commerce websites, right? There are a lot of e-commerce products they need to have it this way so that they can showcase it properly. So you can bring in and create e-commerce videos this way by removing the background of those products that you have. And again, extremely powerful. And then the other to create cool strategy that you can use is, let me delete this element here, and I'm going to bring it in, and very powerful, by the way, which you'll love, is we go back to the library. I'm going to pick that exact little photo. I click on this little magic wand and it automatically converts it into a black and white or even a color doodle style video. Very powerful. Click on this, use now, and again click on it and then remove the background, and then watch this. Very powerful. It's just incredible. Look at this. Creates it in that painting style video, and I can do the transition to do hand painting or fade in, fade out, whatever I want, I can do that. So if I'm doing a hand painting and I do the speed, I can do the rounded edges. I can work around the transparency here. Like for example, I can round out the edges, for example. I can do so many cool things here. And then I can make it into a doodle painting right off the bat. Again, that gives me millions of possibilities, right? And I can do all kinds of cool stuff here as well. One other cool feature is you can record your own voice or upload your own voiceover as well, and automatically have the whole video created as well from within the application, which gives you extreme level of flexibility and so on. And for those who are international users, this is for you. Okay, what I wanted to show you here is we've actually gone a step further, and because it's a web-based application, you can actually go into the application now, click on this create video option right here, and right click and click on, let's say, translate to Spanish or German or something like that, or any language, Hindi or whatever, right? Let's click on translate to Spanish here. Boom. So you see that the whole app has been translated over to Spanish, like you see here. So if I go in here again, you see that, right? All this, you see that? All of this stuff is translated over again. So if I click on this, I choose this, you can go in and you can obviously change the text and so on, right? But check this out. The whole application is fully in your language. So that means, if you ever wondered, hey, can I create this application for my language and I'm kind of stuck? Well, you can do that. You can click on this, and every element, you see that? Your text, your font, and everything is in Spanish here, so you can get started with. And this is also useful when you're bringing your own YouTube video and that sort of thing, because every element, because it's a web-based application that we've seen through. You see that? The library is biblioteca for those folks who speak Spanish. It means library, and background music and all that stuff, even language changing and so on. It's all in that language. Again, very powerful, because that means you can literally translate the application and start using it in your language, and it gives you more possibilities, especially if you're trying to reach a global audience for yourself and for your clients or students and so on and so forth. Okay, so again, I can go back and translate it over into English in basically Chrome browser or any browser of my choice. All I need to do is go to that translation option at the top and click English, and I'm back again. So you can do that in any language, Japanese, Mandarin, or whatever language, Italian, and so on and so forth. Very powerful, right? You can do this literally for any project that you desire. For instance, I have one for how to bake a cake, or for a bakery video and so on, so that I just edited as well. Again, every element is editable. See how I layered it on top here? You can do that as well, and you can time it exactly when you want it to appear. There's that flexibility, but the ease of use is what matters. Flexibility is great, but it should be easy so you can walk through the whole process and so on. And so instead of just previewing it like normally, let me just actually play this video so you can see it, and let me adjust it so that you can, I'll play it from GoToWebinar itself live, so you see from the application how good this is, because I want to ensure that you actually hear the quality of the actual end result of the video here.
You're looking for a quality bakery for your next event. You probably have a lot of questions.
This is incredibly powerful stuff, as you can imagine. Not something that you will see normally. I had to cut it off short because I have so much other stuff to share with you today. So, I could keep playing all these videos, and you can definitely go in and check it out. I'll show you the link and all that stuff in a bit. But the key thing I want you to understand is it gives you speed of video creation, flexibility, ability to create videos in any language, in any industry, and so on, and ability to create basically any kind of video from the library of either photos, which you can convert, videos that you can convert to doodle videos, or even for that matter, go into these assets and then pull up a lot of these assets as well, and get them as well, and create a whole story around it and educate your audiences. And literally whatever you desire, you can do. And that makes it so extraordinarily powerful. If you can imagine, when you can start using DoodleMaker literally by the end of this webinar and create a video in about 2 minutes, or even less maybe, and you are on your way to success. Now, there's a ton of other features, and I could go all day showing you, like for example, I could show you how this delay time works. I could show you like how we can keep it displayed and hide. I can show you the hand transitions that are available. I can show you how you can move things around. I can also show you how you can edit the text, and you can change anything and even rebuild that whole AI scene using artificial intelligence. So if you make any changes, you can rebuild it. You can also save it. There's so many other things that I can go in, but you get the idea. And when you try it out, you'll be amazed, and you will completely be blown away when you see it. But now, let's get back to the main crux of this webinar, right? Like, let's go back to my presentation here. If you can imagine, DoodleMaker, as I said, is just 3 easy steps. It's actually more like 1 step if you really use one of the templates or the artificial intelligence system and add your logo and you're good to go. But if you want to customize it even further, you can go and do it in your heart's desire. Now you might be wondering, how much does some technology like this cost, right? I mean, it sounds amazing. And here's the thing, you can create unlimited videos for unlimited clients using the included commercial license and agency license that is already included. You can create longer length videos as well, and you can do all kinds of good stuff with this, which gives you that incredible flexibility that is unmatched. You cannot find it anywhere else at any price. So before I get to the price, okay, I'll get to that in just a second, I have some special bonuses as well that you get access to right away, and I went a step further as well for you folks this time around, so you'll appreciate that as well, I'm sure. So you're going to be getting access to these bonuses, which is royalty-free image library, which is, again, as I said, millions of royalty-free images that you get access to from within the application. Remember, I showed you that, right? And the other thing is, on top of that, you have the royalty-free doodle assets and vectors library as well that you can use right away. And you also get the commercial license, which means you can create unlimited videos for unlimited clients for any use, and you can render them out in the cloud, and no matter how much it costs. And you also get unlimited storage as well in Amazon's award-winning enterprise grade cloud servers, so that basically you can literally, be on your way and start creating videos on the go. Take a cup of coffee and let it render it out on its own, and you're good to go. You don't have to wait in front of your computer, slow your computer down and all. And as with anything, with all our products, you also get that rock solid 30-day money back guarantee. So if for any reason, and no reason at all, you don't have a reason, no questions asked, you get every single penny back if this is not what I showed you, or for it's not up to the bargain. And I'm telling you, it's the best thing that we've ever built in terms of the complexity, in terms of what it can achieve, in terms of the amount of effort that went in to build something from scratch, build it first to market, and do something nobody else was able to achieve. It's going to take them multiple years to achieve something like this, and you're getting a futuristic technology in the present, which is extremely, extremely powerful. And on top of that, you also are going to get unlimited cloud hosting and storage for all the templates and videos and so on that you create on Amazon's award-winning cloud infrastructure that a lot of Fortune 500 companies use anyway. So your products are going to last for good. You have a very, very time-consuming project or a deadline to attend for a client, no worries. It's just going to be rock solid because it can handle any amount of power. And we worked specifically with Amazon's own architecture team to ensure that this will be future-proof, where you can literally create videos even 5 years, 3 years, 2 years down the line as well, and it's going to be rock solid even at that point in time. So now let's get back to that point about how much does it cost. So firstly, you're excited about this, right? You see how the potential of an application like this is, and you can create unlimited videos, you can create color doodle videos, black and white, blackboard, glassboard, whiteboard, or any kind of video stuff that other apps did, but a lot more stuff that nobody else has attempted. And similar technology like this, right, which doesn't even do what DoodleMaker does. They charge $97 per month with many limitations. By limitations, I mean they'll say only 10 video creation apps and so on. And anything that is web-based right now in the cloud are all monthly fees. Why? Because it costs a lot of money to render these videos. They're so high-end animations and all that stuff. And you're creating explainer videos, longer length and so on. That's why they're all monthly. This is the only application, right, where you do not have to pay anywhere close to that. And even if you were to hire a professional to do what 50% of what DoodleMaker does, like those color videos and so on, they'll charge you $500 or more for one video, okay? Just one video, they're going to charge you $500 or more. Now, I know when I say this, people are like, oh, really? Is that the case? Let me show you real quick. All right, let's go to Upwork.com, right? And I'll bring it up to you on your screen so you can see it real quick. So this is my Upwork.com right now, a job that was posted 4 days ago, as you can see here, and a 3-minute whiteboard video, or create 1 2-minute whiteboard video, as you can see, $400 and they're supplying all the stuff here. You're doing actually the creative stuff in the case, because the app is doing all that work for you. And literally you can have this $400 given to you for 3 minutes. And here's the thing, you can create unlimited videos, even up to 10 minutes or 15 minutes and so on, that we have available. I'll talk about that, which means literally this person, because they're charging by the minute, you can be charging potentially thousands of dollars. Or am I really kidding? Well, check this out. There's an example where they wanted 12 60-second whiteboard videos, which comes to about 12 minutes long, right? And this is for a dentist project. Watch this, $12,000. And again, it was posted just 7 days ago. You could be one of the people going after this particular project as well. And the reason why this is powerful is because they are hot in demand and nobody knows how to create this stuff right now. It's very, very hard to create it until DoodleMaker came along, because with artificial intelligence and the media library and all the assets and all the other features that you're getting access to, you can create it in just a few seconds, right? Very, very powerful if you think about it. All right, so now, how much does it cost? Well, literally less than $50 one-time payment. Just literally less than $50 one-time payment. And I'm going to give you the link to get it. And what I'm going to be doing, to be fair to everybody, is once I give the link, I want you to get it right away. And once you get it, I'm going to be randomly picking the 20 people who get DoodleMaker, because I know a lot of people referred you here and so on, and to be fair to them and so on as well, I'm going to be PayPaling over the cost of DoodleMaker from my own pocket, okay? And that's super important, because then it basically makes it for free. So meaning you get it right now, and from those people who get it, I'm going to randomly pick 20 people, and I will ensure that I will PayPal that over to you. And of course, on top of that, you also $100 in cash prize I'll be giving just for attending the webinar as well. So watch out for it. Exciting day today. So let me give you the link right now, okay? And I'm telling you, last time I gave the link, it crashed the servers. So ensure that you are ready to go here. And if something happens, just refresh the page and try it out again in a couple of minutes and so on, right? Because there's so many people on this webinar right now. Okay, so here is the link. Again, you get a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee for any reason at all. No reason at all you want to leave, you get every single penny back. Okay, I posted the link in the chat box as well to your right, so you can click on it. Okay, and because some people are saying they cannot click the link on the page, right? Because it's a live webinar and all that. So anyway, I posted a link in the chat box. You can click on the same chat box so you're saying you can hear me okay and all the questions you're posting and so on. So click on that chat box to your right and you can go to there right now. And the link is www.doodlemaker.com/now. Okay, so it's www.doodlemaker.com/now. now. So go there right now. Click on the link in the chat box, or you just type it in your browser and go to that link and get it right now for less than $50 one-time payment. And the cool thing is you're going to be getting the enterprise commercial license as well right on the page, which allows you to create up to 15 minutes long videos, and also videos for clients, and it has a whole bunch of features. So instead of asking you to pay for an enterprise license inside, you're going to get access to right away, and that's less than $50. I recommend you to get that right away. And again, you get access forever, permanently, meaning even 2 years, 3 years down the line, you're not going to be asked to pay any monthly, yearly fees or any of that mumbo jumbo stuff. And that's the link that's special for this webinar, and you got to go get it right away. Okay, don't delay a second longer and go there right now. And while you're getting it right now, I know everybody's excited because it's just revolutionary. The price itself is shocking, right? I mean, we're going to lose money on the price, obviously, but what we're counting on is that if we get some value to you and give back to you in a big way, of course, you're going to come back and say great things, and it'll allow us to build a good relationship with you and grow your business and so on long term as well, and help us grow our business as well. So now I'm getting some frequently asked questions as well from folks as you're getting in. Let me answer them as well. Can I create unlimited videos and sell videos to clients? Yes, you're including the commercial license. There are two choices you're going to see on that page. So both of them come with a commercial license included. So you can literally create videos for clients, and also you can sell it for any price as well, the videos that you create. So it gives you incredible flexibility. And also another question is, can I keep 100% of the profits for the videos that I create and sell to clients? Yes. Remember that, the freelancer website I showed you, like Upwork.com and all that stuff? Well, you're going to be able to do that right away as well. So it gives you unlimited flexibility I was telling you about, right? And on top of that, another question is, DoodleMaker, does it work in Mac and Windows? Yes, DoodleMaker is fully cloud-based, so there's no need to download or install anything. And we even have step-by-step training on how to get clients, how to do some really cool things with DoodleMaker, such as what projects to create, what do really well, what don't do that well, and all that stuff, along with ongoing assistance with our customer support team, as well as our private Facebook group. So no matter what your business is, you're gonna benefit a lot from this long term. Okay, again, I'll post a link in the chat box as well, the link that you see on your screen right now. Go there right now and click on the button and go there right away. Again, as I said, we are increasing the price every few hours, so the price that you see right now will definitely be up by the time you might have checking it again. So make sure that you get it for under 50 bucks right now, one-time payment, and it's not going to be repeated ever again. Okay, I'm telling you, we're losing money on that price. Now the next question I'm getting, which is a good question to those who just got it and so on. And again, as I said, I'll be coming into the winners as well. I'll be announcing the names of the winners and all that stuff as we go along. The main thing that I want to mention though here, which is important, is here we go. Don't miss the opportunity to get it at under 50 bucks one-time payment, okay? And you're gonna get access to everything that I mentioned as well here, so that literally you can keep using it forever and you get permanent access to everything. Now, the other question is, are there any upgrades or OTOs or anything like that, Paul? Well, as you know, some of you folks who don't know me and so on, I want to mention this as well. One important thing that I do for specifically our valued folks as well, just like people like you who are joining this, and I do it as an event a couple of times a year, maybe, and so on. And the last time I did it, people got blown away. Okay, so yes, to answer your question, yeah, they are upgrades, but they're fully complementary to DoodleMaker, and they solve many of the pain points, like, you know, maybe if you are looking for a white label solution to sell the application to clients, or you want more templates, more text-to-speech voices, which are premium, which cost us 10 times more money than normal text-to-speech voices, and you get unlimited access, unlimited usage of those, which nobody else does because it costs a lot of money for every voice that you create with text-to-speech, or you want to get more traffic, more sales, more clients, and so on. Well, that's what the upgrades will solve for you. And you also get many of my best-selling products and future software releases for free if you get any of the upgrades right now in this webinar. Okay, and as I said, it's only for this live webinar, and it's not going to be available, you know, literally anywhere else. Now, what I want to do is say, because you get 30 days no questions and money back guarantee, and because of the fact that this applies to the upgrades as well, so if you don't like any of the upgrades or whatever, you can get a no questions asked, you know, refund for every single one that you don't like. So keep what you like, get rid of what you don't like. So if you get all the upgrades today on the webinar, okay, and I'll talk about them, how they're working, and so on and so forth, and if you get all of them, I will be giving you something really, really extraordinary, okay? And you would have gotten them anyways, but if you get it in this webinar right now, and it's going to allow us to fund the application, to be upfront with you, to update it for many, many years. It's for your benefit, so that we can pay our developers, pay our server costs. Just the Amazon server costs alone are 10,000 bucks a month right now to host this application and so on, because we're doing all the rendering with unlimited renders and so on, unlimited videos and so on, right? So what you're going to be getting, special bonuses that I've not offered before ever, is right here for you, and be prepared to be blown away, because I've never done something like this. And I want to really help you out. So if you get all the upgrades, I'm going to be giving you actually something I've never done before, which is the awesome bonus where I'm going to personally show you, help you, and it needs some done for you service as well. Sell your digital products and services on Google, pretty much like a shop, for free, meaning you're going to get top rankings on Google in your locality for whatever niche that you desire, and on top of that, be able to sell any products or services. It can be, for example, DoodleMaker, or you want to do Doodle video creation or any kind of service as an agency you want to offer. It's going to be on top of Google's results. And this is a top secret strategy nobody is teaching right now, because only a select group of my mentorship students have learned this. They paid thousands of dollars to learn this strategy. You're going to get access to it, and this is how it looks like, so you can literally start implementing it right away. Here you go. I typed into Google local video marketing, and if this is done in your locality as well, it works beautifully well. And check this out. To your left, you have all these ads, right? You see all these ads right here. These are all people spending a lot of money for local video marketing keyword, right, to attract local businesses. But to your right, you can see this is one of my students actually. And check this out here, top ranking on Google, right? And it works really well for your locality. Like let's say you're from New York City, United States, or Tampa, Florida, you're from New Jersey, let's say, or you're from wherever. It works really, really well, right? And so if you see here, of course, all this stuff is there, but one important thing that you see here is you see this products listed here. Well, this can be any software that you want to sell. I'm going to talk about that in just a second. This can be any services like, whiteboard video creation services, doodle video creation services, and so on and so forth. And literally, you go in right now and you can actually sell this. And people who come here are going to land on your website. Okay, watch this. They can come into your website and then they can buy this product. So I click on it and it'll show you. You see that? Right? Learn more and boom, you can be ready to go, and you can do it for anything. So for example, in this case, you're doing whiteboard design. You see that you're charging some money. You click learn more, immediately it's going to get taken to your website, or you can even put your phone number and get clients and so on. Imagine how fast and good this is. But to make this work, there's a bunch of stuff that you need to do. Okay, you got to get a bunch of reviews. There's something that you have to set up behind the scenes. It's top secret stuff, and it needs some manual assistance. Okay, it's more like a done for you kind of thing, manual kind of stuff. We will help you out, and we'll also teach you, coach you on how to get this listing set up right here, like so, on top of Google. So no need to ever worry about getting traffic, getting clients, and all that stuff. Ready to go, ready to rock from day one, and you can get up and running using this exciting strategy. Again, nobody's sharing this because they don't know how to do it. We figured it out, and I'm going to show you how to do this, and it's easily worth thousands of dollars because nobody else is doing it. It's going to give you an edge, and you can sell any product or service here, so you can start being on top of Google without any backlinks, SEO, any of that mumbo jumbo, or paying for ads and so on, and you'll be good to go. It works for any digital product or any service right here. Okay, very, very powerful, because before now it was only possible with physical products. Well, I'll show you how to do it with digital products. Again, it's an awesome bonus that will guide you through to get set up and running. All right, so the second bonus that you're going to be getting access to a done-for-you agency website, right? Again, this is something other affiliates are probably going to give you and so on. So it allows you to get up and running quickly with your own, if you will, affiliate website and so on. But the first bonus, by the way, wow, it's incredible, because you can send all the traffic to this website as well, for example. And I'll also talk about one other bonus that you can do, which is going to blow you away as well. Again, you buy all the upgrades, you're going to get this. And on top of that, I'll also give you 1,460 plus Doodle character assets in many, many niches and so on that you can literally import or upload into DoodleMaker and start using right away and start getting amazing results, right? And again, this is ready to go. You're going to get access within 24 hours or less with these bonuses that I'm talking about. All you got to do is just buy all the upgrades, and I'm going to get you this right away. And I'm going to talk about what the upgrades do and so on as well in just a bit while we get there. And also, you're going to be getting access to this really awesome app called Animes, which is a brand new app in terms of the updates that they've made and so on. It was released before, but they've updated recently. What it allows you to do is create powerful 3D animated videos with 3D avatars, text-to-speech, ready-made scenes, and storylines as well. Gives that extra oomph to your videos. And it also has photo mapping technology where you can create original characters just with a profile pic. It can be yours or somebody else's, or royalty-free stock image and so on. And you can use it. You get unlimited access to this. You get permanent access. No need to pay a single penny. You're going to get this as a bonus for free. And on top of that, you're also going to get 21-day video mentorship training from myself and my team. That's 21 days of exactly how to, get your video marketing to the next level, generate unlimited clients, get, really good results with DoodleMaker or any other video creation experience or technologies that you use, because it's powerful and it applies across the board, and we want it to work for you. So you can get immediate replays as well for these, so you can watch them in your own time. You don't have to attend them live or anything like that. So you can just take advantage of it. It allows us to get more of that intimate step-by-step training, because that's something you might need to get you to the next level, right? Very, very important, and we're going to help you out with that. Also, you're going to get access to my own Skype mentorship group. If you're already part of it, awesome. If you're not, whoa, you're missing out, because here you can interact, learn, network, thrive alongside hundreds of other like-minded entrepreneurs. And you also get weekly training bonuses worth thousands, and some free software giveaways and so on that we do as well. It's gonna really put your business to the next level. And this is something that I've only decided to offer recently, and the results just are incredible, because just the networking alone, ability to learn new things and experience new things and so on itself can give you that accountability buddies to take your business to the next level. And you're also going to get access to my video agency business bundle. So now if you're building your own video agency, creating doodle videos for clients and so on, one of the things you might need is done for you emails, client contracts, business cards, invoices, and other tools to get up and running right away, right? Look professional like an agency or a consultant. Well, you have this bundle, you just use them, copy and paste these, done for your client contracts, emails, and so on. And we built it from scratch so you don't have to, and you're never stuck thinking about it or not knowing what to do next and all that stuff. It's all done. That is, I'm going to giving you DoodleMaker's successful case studies along with a special framework, okay? And that framework is, not only will I give you the most powerful case studies where you can follow along and recreate certain videos that are doing really well, I'm also going to give you a framework that all the best copywriters like around the world, even myself, I use to create videos in industries even when I'm not an expert in it. And it's going to have fill in the blanks kind of setup. So it's going to be where, hey, fill the blank here, and automatically it's going to create a script that you can copy and paste that can be used in your doodle videos. And they're short, really cool explainer style videos that you can create. And the beauty is it's all done. So you just open it up, fill in those few blanks, and you can do so. You're going to get both of them, okay? Not just the successful case studies, but you're also going to get access to that special bonus of that framework as well, so that you're never stuck and left behind. And again, you can get access to these bonuses within the next 24 hours or less, maybe even in a few hours. We'll email it to you. I'll also tell you how to get access to them in just a bit, but you got to buy all the upgrades, okay, to get access to it. I'm sorry, you got to do that. You're also going to get the video summarizer app access. This is going to allow you to summarize any long video, any video which is on YouTube or whatever, and grab the key content, notes, bullets, and so on that you can immediately paste into DoodleMaker and create really, really high-end videos literally within a few seconds. And the cool thing is that you're never running short of, one of the things is when you're trying to bring videos over, let's say it's a 15, 20, 30-minute video, and you want to summarize it into maybe a 30-second video or an hour, a minute video, you can do that. And it's going to take all the bullet points, the summaries, and so on. It's super easy to use. You're going to get access to this one as well. Right away, it helps you with creating much better quality videos. You're also going to get access to my content engine library, which is an automatically updating library of over 80,000, close to 100,000 content pieces from all the industries, niches, and so on. And the cool thing is you can create lifelike voiceovers with this with DoodleMaker. You can import them. And another thing is that you can never run short of content. Like let's say a client comes in, they want you to do it for example, a plumbing industry, and you have no idea about it, or gardening or home gardening or growing a vegetable at home or something like that. You have no experience with that. Well, with this content pieces, articles, and so on that you're getting access to with full commercial rights, you can use it to your heart's desire, copy and paste them, and start creating professional looking explainer doodle videos and so on and so forth. You're also going to be getting access to the VidCompass agency license, which is a really powerful app which converts your existing YouTube videos and your videos into another language so you can reach people across the globe. So it's going to translate the descriptions, the titles, and so on of your videos. And again, you can reach unlimited clients across the globe. And you're also going to get access to the video rank engine, which allows you to get all the hashtags, keywords, tags, and so on that the top videos are using right now on YouTube. So if you're wondering, hey, I want to put a video on YouTube to get traffic with DoodleMaker, well, what tags to use, right? What kind of titles to use and so on. It's going to get you those, and it's going to find the hottest videos and what they are using, so you don't have to think about creativity and all that stuff. You're also going to get access to our AI logo creator software, which is really powerful, which you can create logos for any business. You can charge people for logos as well, or you create logos for your own business with artificial intelligence. You just choose a bunch of options. In just a few seconds, you can have a professional logo created. And on top of that, I'll go a step further. I'm going to be giving you access to my unreleased Agency Video Creator 2021 app. You're going to get access to this. This is going to be coming up very soon, maybe in a 6-month period or something like that. But I'm going to get you access to this one, and you're going to get pretty much access within the next 24 hours. It's already created, it's ready to go, but nobody's going to get access to it except you for over 6 months. You're going to get access to it within the next 24 to 40 hours or less, actually. And this one is beautiful because you can create video to market your agency, okay? One of the big problems is we have all these video creators and so on out there, including the ones I created. One of the big problems is you have, okay, plumbing video, or you have like some video which is for a dentist or whatever, but nothing to build your own brand. What about your own agency, your own consulting, to showcase your strengths, your actual agency's professionalism. Well, this was what is going to allow you to do that. So then you look like a pro, and you can put it up on YouTube, your own website and blogs and so on, and look like a professional. You can edit every element inside this and look like a pro. And I can't reveal too much about this because you're going to be blown away when you see this. And you get unlimited video creation, agency rights to this, and again, you can create unlimited videos for your own agency to showcase your brand, grow your brand. Imagine like you can market your own brand and it looks so professional when you see it. It looks like somebody spent $5,000 or $3,000 to create this. You're going to get access to this. I'm not going to reveal too much of this because it's something that I've spent a lot of money developing recently, and I don't want to give away, if you will, the cat out of the bag, so to speak, because it's a first to market technology, and just like many of our other technologies, and I don't want to have somebody copy it and so on. That's why I don't want to reveal too much, but you will be getting free access to it, including all the upgrades, everything else, so that you don't have to buy anything extra later on. You're going to be getting it first, and you're going to get it for free. All you got to do is get it right now on this webinar. Okay, you got to get all the upgrades in this webinar to get access to this bonus. Okay, again, as I said, it's an exclusive bonus, not available anywhere else. You also get access to my Facebook group, and on top of that, get access to my cell phone number to text me one-on-one whenever you feel like it. This is something that I've done recently for a few select group of people, and it blew them away. You can ask me about traffic generation strategies, lead generation methods, finance, accounting, business growth, or anything. And you'll learn from mistakes that I've done over 13 years that I've been in this business full time, right? And you know, if it is something that I can help you out with, I can help you out. And here's the thing, I'm an 8-figure marketer. I'm the number one, vendor and seller on JVZoo, a top affiliate, number one affiliate as well. I'm on top of my game, and and my business is anywhere from $20,000 to $25,000 a day that they average right now. And that means that I can help you. You can learn from somebody who's doing this stuff day in and day out. So I'm going to give it to you again for a limited time. I don't know how long I can do it because I'm, not going to be available forever to give you this one-on-one kind of texting with me, but maybe I can help you out, right? Whatever issues that you're facing and so on. So this is going to be only for the people who get all the upgrades. It's a priceless value because getting somebody who's on top of their game, who's a number one affiliate, number one vendor across different platforms like JVZoo, ClickBank, and even different businesses that I'm in outside of the space as well. So you can pick my brain on it and get all the results that you deserve. Maybe I can help you get there, right? You're also going to get access to my one-on-one weekly office hours mentorship, where Mondays and Fridays, we're going to keep doing training for you to help you grow your agency, maybe help you grow your e-commerce business if that's what you have, maybe grow your video marketing efforts or client generation efforts. We talk about a lot of the stuff, and you can come in and ask any questions live, and we're going to keep answering them as we go along. Again, this is only going to be available. That's one on the text messaging thing, especially only going to be available for very, very short period of time. I'm going to remove it as soon as that number of people, because of that personal attention that it requires. But once it's gone for good. But you can join in. And if you cannot join in live, you're going to get access to the replays as well later on. So don't worry about that part. But this is extremely valuable because I've seen success happen literally in front of my eyes because people have, had some of their accountability issues sorted because they had an accountability buddy. They implemented things daily. They will also come in and we showed, like, let's say your business, and we showcased your business on a live webinar like this one and showed you how you can improve things, how you can do better, and so on. And this kind of stuff is something that you'd have to pay tens of thousands of dollars to get every single year, but you don't have to pay any mastermind stuff and all that. You get access to this, again, just for getting all the upgrades. And they're not that expensive, by the way. I'll talk about the upgrades in just a bit. You got to get all the upgrades though. And as I said, even if you decide later to get every single penny back, I'm going to let you keep these bonuses as well. My way of saying thank you. You got it in this one-time webinar, right? Live webinar, because you don't know when it's going to be available again. And you're also going to get access to the digital marketing platform, which is an updated version of what I've been working on for the last 3 months, which is basically where you get to create existing websites, which are marketplaces. So let's say you want to showcase your videos, you can showcase your products, apps, coaching. You can create membership websites, you can create checkout pages, you can have unlimited hosting, unlimited storage, unlimited websites. You can create it. I'll host it on your behalf on Google's award-winning cloud servers on top of Amazon as well to help you out with some integrations. So that means literally you're gonna be able to create your own agency website, marketplace, product checkout pages, funnels, all this stuff with this one platform. And I spent a lot of money developing it and maintaining it. You're going to get access to this right away. You can do this for clients as well. I'm going to include the agency license for this. So you can create websites and membership sites and all this stuff for clients as well. Beautiful. And you get all the web hosting and everything handled to us. And again, this is something that costs us a lot of money to maintain. I'm only going to give it to people right now who get it on this webinar and this webinar only. Okay, you got to click on the link below or in the chat box that I posted to get access right away. So as I said, that's the link. Go there right now. I've also posted the link in the chat box as well, so you can click on it and go there. But this is your last chance. If you miss out, you miss out. For just get all the upgrades and I'll take care of you with these bonuses, which is probably the only time I'll offer. The next time I might offer something like this, even if I did, to be upfront with you, maybe it would be a year from now, probably, because I only do a webinar like this maybe twice a year. Last time I did something like this was over 7 months ago. So the next time, maybe 8 months or 1 year from now. So that's the kind of exclusivity we're talking about. So you're going to get an edge over your competition. So now you might be wondering, what are the upgrades, Paul? You know, I'm going to get all the upgrades, but tell me what they are and how much do they cost roughly and so on. Okay, let me talk about that right now. The first upgrade that you'll be getting access to is the deluxe upgrade, as you can see here. And this allows you to get, as you can see, ready-made video templates each month, so that you're going to be getting it for 1 full year every single month. And thereafter, you can keep unlimited access to these. You never have to pay any monthly or yearly fees. You're just going to drip feed them. And we have a ton of templates we want to add in for you. And you're also going to get access to 56 ultra premium lifelike male and female text-to-speech voices. We spend 10 times more money on these voices, which are premium, lifelike, human-like sounding, and you get unlimited usage for these. And it works directly out of the box within the DoodleMaker application. So you just click on one button and automatically you can use these applications that automatically adjust. You get access to this instantly, so you can use them right away within the next few minutes. And again, you get forever access to them. Even a few years from now, you can use these premium access. You get a one-time payment only, and it's super cheap. You'll be shocked, right? It's one-time payment to get access to this deluxe upgrade. You also get new Doodle characters each month, and the monthly fees are waived again. No monthly fees, yearly fees, or anything like that. You're gonna get all these new Doodle assets like what you see here added in, where you can download it and import it into your account, or we'll even add it for you as well. Whatever works best, right? That works for you. And again, it costs a lot of money, okay? I personally pay a designer to do this stuff for me, to create all these assets and so on. And these are professional looking scenes and assets and so on. And you're going to get access to them every month for just a one-time payment. You're also going to get professional royalty-free background music files, which are premium files. Okay, these are beyond what you normally see online. I spend a lot of money to license them for you. And you also get 25 ready-made video scripts and voiceovers like the ones I showed you earlier on. Professional ones I got created. You can have them ready to go with scripts as well as the voiceovers. You also get priority VIP video rendering, which means automatically you're going to be put in front of the queue over everybody else, and you also get priority future software updates before everybody else as a deluxe member. And this is really valuable, I'll tell you up front, because of the voices. You're going to get text-to-speech voices, which are premium voices that we spend a lot of money to acquire. You get it for a one-time payment. Nobody else has access to these exclusive text-to-speech voices in different languages like Spanish, English, and all that stuff. And you get unlimited access to it with no limitations, so you're good to go. And also the templates, it costs a lot of money to create them, animate them, and all that stuff, come up with the characters for them and so on to make them unique. Well, you're going to get access to those as well to help you out. Again, one-time payment, super cheap. You can get access to it, and you get instant access to everything, and they're added in, and you can see them out right away. And on top of that, the second upgrade that you get access to is the Toon Video Maker. Okay, now Doodle videos are great. Now you want to go a step further. You want to create 2D animated Toon videos, right? Explainer videos, Toon videos, and so on. Well, you can do that with this application, and you can get it for one-time payment. Toon Video Maker, where you can have 125 dynamic Toon characters. You get 15,000 animations and graphics, 34 HD cartoon backgrounds, and you get royalty-free music tracks, and you get an editor and so on and so forth. It works on Mac, PC, and so on. You can render unlimited videos, and you can even create unlimited length videos as well, so you don't have to worry about it. And another thing is, even with DoodleMaker, by the way, I was talking about that. A lot of people are asking, Paul, what if I want to create an hour-long video? Well, you can do that. We have special training on it on how to merge multiple videos and create longer length, like 40-minute video, 30-minute videos as well with DoodleMaker as well. So we're here. You also get multi-install license for 10+ licenses, so you can give it to your outsourcers, your employees, or maybe whoever you want to do, maybe your family, and you can all build a really cool 2D Toon videos with it. And you can see the demo on that page as well. It's really cool. And you also get commercial license to sell these styles of 2D Toon videos to clients as well. And again, it's so cheap. I mean, the only time you're going to get access to for this price is on this particular page, nowhere else. And we've updated it to the point where you're going to be blown away by this application. Just check out the video on that page and you'll see how cool it is. 2D character explainer videos are now easy. Again, that's one-time payment, no monthly fees or anything like that to get access to it. And then you're also going to get access to the Client Engine application. And this, hear me out, this is amazing. And this allows you to basically, what it will do is it will scour the internet, and you type in one keyword, like let's say whiteboard videos or whatever, and it's going to find all the top websites freelancer websites and job board websites and so on, where other clients have posted saying, hey, I need a whiteboard video, I need a doodle video, and so on. And it's going to bring it all together in real time so that you can bid on it. Generally what happens is about the first 5 to 10 people who bid on a project end up getting that project, right? This is going to do that. So you never have to worry about where to find the clients, what to do, and where to find the jobs for that client and all that stuff. So here you go. Super, super easy. And here's the thing. This is less, you'd be surprised. It's less than $30 one-time payment that you get access to. At the time I'm doing this live webinar, because when you check it out a few hours from now, that's why I'm saying all these prices are increasing every few hours. So if you check it out, you delay further, it's going to be gone for good. Okay, just want to be upfront. It's going to be gone for good. This allows you literally to get clients and never worry about it. And it's one-time payment, unlimited clients you can generate, unlimited jobs. You can go search for it using the application, and you get unlimited access to it. So you can use it for even a few months, years from now, with no monthly fees, anything like that. And you get no question of money back guarantee. So try it out to your heart's desire, get all the clients you want. And after that, you want to leave, you get every single penny back either way. At least you gave it a try. My way of saying thank you. It's a super, super powerful application because it gets it from Guru.com, Craigslist, Project Fire, Freelancer, People Per Hour, and so on and so forth, where all these top websites where clients are posting saying they need it, they give a price and so on, like the ones I showed you, and you can bid on it right away from basically searching. The application does all the work in getting you the clients and so on. Nothing like this is out there, and it perfectly complements DoodleMaker, as you can imagine. If you had to get this normally, the retail price of this one is about $97. You're going to get it for like 1/3 of the cost, as I said, for a one-time payment, without any monthly fees or any of that hassles and all that stuff. You get all the updates, upgrades, all that stuff for this application included. So you don't have to pay anything extra to make it work. It's working right out of the box. Okay. Now the final upgrade, right? And this one is something that we thought a lot, and it was the back and forth with our team, and we finally decided because so many people were asking us about it. But you know, I'm just telling you this one will be 100% removed after the launch is done. Okay. No questions asked. And that is the DoodleMaker white label enterprise license. Okay. This means you can actually put your own logo, put your own, branding and so on, and sell the application as your own. You can create sub accounts for clients and all that stuff, and it'll look just like your own. And then you can sell it and keep 100% of the profits. And because of the fact that it's branded to you, you can literally get clients right away. And let's say it's a dentist, you can say, hey, check out the Doodle video creation tool. And let's say you're selling it for $100. They'll buy it for a one-time payment, but then they'll come back to you and say, hey, look, I want you to do this project for me. Can you edit it a little bit and so on? And then you can charge them $300 or $500 for that. That's the secret to successful agencies. You provide the software, sell them for $100, whatever it is. And then after you get it, that $100, you got profit first right at the gate, and now you build trust with the client. And then for any done for you type of service with the application, you can charge them more money. That's what HubSpot or Salesforce, all these big applications, this is the strategy that they use, right? A lot of these clients come in, they buy a tool, and then they want somebody else to consult them on how to use it, and you can make a lot of money. There are two options for this one, and I would highly recommend you to get the second option. The first option is 50 accounts you're going to get access to, and you can get access to it right away. So you can create 50 accounts, clients, and you can sell them to clients, 50 of them, and you get unlimited usage for all the enterprise features that I was telling you about. And you have a fully done for you reseller website and all that stuff, and all the bells and whistles. You can do it for $97 one-time payment, and you get 50 accounts. Or if you want unlimited accounts, and you're crazy, because you got to understand, it costs over $150,000 in 2 years to create DoodleMaker, and to maintain it alone costs tens of thousands of dollars a month. Okay, just on the servers, the rendering, the staff, the developers, customer support team, and all that. And you can do it and sell it right away. And this is perfect for you to scale up and take your business next level. And the advantage here is that you also get unlimited white label sub accounts and drag and drop website builder to edit your website, and unlimited web hosting as well. We'll pay for your hosting so that you are ready to go and you can sell them on your own and so on. And if you get it for the next few minutes only, okay, and this, by the way, is going to be gone, I'm telling you, guaranteed, you're going to get it for $100 off if you use the coupon code SECRET. Okay, that's there right now. You see that in red? If you use that coupon code, you're going to get it as a special discount, not available anywhere else. Okay, super important. And that's the special link that you got to get in right now. That's why I recommend you to get that. Yeah, it's slightly more expensive, but you got to understand whether you're going to pay $150,000, even if you know what you're doing. And on top of that, you got to know everything, right? And you got to think about it. You got to do all this mumbo jumbo stuff to create an application that is high end, like this text to speech alone costs us, every time people use it, you're giving you the application here. Okay. You have to understand something. And this is, by the way, I'm guaranteeing you, After the launch week is done, this is going to be removed first of all. In the next few hours or few minutes, I'm talking the coupon code that you see is secret is going to expire, and the $100 discount is going to be gone, which means you got to pay more than that, right? More than what you're seeing, $100 more. So you want to get it right now to lock in. And again, it comes with a no question asked 100% money back guarantee. So you try it out, no questions asked, you get every single penny back. And I'm telling you, we're never going to do this again. It was the dumbest mistake we've ever made. We didn't know how much it's going to actually cost us to maintain it until we started getting users, beta testers using it, because until then we didn't know how much the server costs are and so on. So our loss is your gain. But as I said, nobody else will get access to it after the launch week. Specifically, you're not going to get that $100 discount if you delay any further. Only limited for this webinar, only, never going to be offered ever again. Okay. All I need you to do is, as soon as you grab it, I need you to go right away, and you can email us at bonus@doodlemaker.com saying you purchased all that, and I will personally email all the people who get all the upgrades. Don't worry, I will personally email you. I know it. And here's the thing, to get the bonuses, you can, buy either that, white label license, the $97 one, or even that $497 with $100 off, so $397. Either way, and you'll still be eligible for all my bonuses, which especially, some of those bonuses like that unlimited marketplace builder, with membership site builder, and so on, with web hosting and stuff like, for example, how to get top rankings on Google to sell your digital products and so on, where we'll personally help you, right, on a one-on-one basis to get you to that and make sure that you get Google to send you all the buyers, all the clients, and so on. It's a top secret strategy, and it's more personal assistance that we need to provide only for the people who get all the upgrades. You either get all the upgrades where you get the $97 option for the white label, or even the $397 option, up to you, but you got to get all the upgrades to get access to it. And as I said, if you don't like any of the upgrades, you get no questions and money back guarantee. You leave, get every single penny back, keep what you like, and get rid of what you don't like. Okay. And as I'm saying, in the next few minutes, once this webinar is done, all the prices are going to keep rising, especially the white label license, and especially the DoodleMaker as well, which is super, super cheap right now. Both of them are going to definitely increase. White label will go up by $100. Definitely. And another thing is DoodleMaker as well is rising every few hours. So if you delay any further, you're going to miss out for good. I posted a link in the chat box as well to your right, so you can go there and you get access to everything. You got to get the upgrades. So I'm telling you, they're valuable, and you're going to get those bonuses that no affiliate will ever give you. I promise you that. I personally spend the time to do it, and nobody else will ever offer, even a few days from now, a few months from now, because I personally built it and I personally tested all these bonuses, and you're getting access to it. And as I said, if you don't like any of the upgrades, keep what you like, get rid of what you don't like. My way of saying thank you. At least in return, you got all these bonuses, right? Which are worth a lot more than what I've shown you because of that special assistance that you're getting, and so on, and special bonuses, apps, and all that you're getting. And so now let me announce the winners. I'll announce the $100 winners, and then I'll announce the 20 winners as well. And once I announce the winners, we'll be closing this webinar down. So this is your last chance. This is it. If you want to get it or not, doesn't matter to me, but make sure that you're going to get it anyway a few days from now, the upgrades and so on. Might as well get it right now to lock in your bonuses, because after this webinar is done, I'm going to end this webinar in the next 2 minutes. I'm telling you. After that, I'll give you 15 minutes of grace period to get all the upgrades and all the, all the products and so on. But after that grace period is done, about 15 to 30 minutes is what I'll do. The price of white label upgrade will go up by $100. And on top of that, also the price of DoodleMaker itself, right? The enterprise license and the main application is going to go up substantially, okay? Because we've decided to raise the price. It's only for the folks who are on this webinar live. And I'm telling you, you're going to get it anyway later on. Might as well get it now to lock in and get all these bonuses from myself and my team. We spent a lot of months developing these bonuses just for you, for your benefit. I look forward to seeing you on the inside, getting to train you, getting to know you better, and having you enjoy using DoodleMaker. So thanks again. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Talk to you soon. Let's make 2020 and this year the best year ever. And I wish you all the best. Good luck. Talk to you soon.